Hi everyone! Can you see what we're going to be learning about this week? What kind of animals do you see? That's right, we're going to do zoo animals this week. I'm so excited. Who's been to the zoo? Let's talk about the animals we see in the zoo. Think in your mind what you think when you see zoo animals. You might even see it on TV or what you've learned when you were at school, but what kind of zoo animals do you like? Think of your favorite, and I'll tell you mine. My favorite's a giraffe. What's yours? Let's look at the picture, see if you can pick out some of the animals we see in a zoo. What do you see? I do see the giraffe. Zebra. That's right. Zebra with the stripes. Good. Somebody said lion. That's a big one. Yeah. Tiger, I see. Nice job. Nice remembering. Panda bear. That's another one. Rhinoceros, which is a big zoo animal, and it's a big name. That's right. What else do you see? I see a lot. Walrus, good. Monkey, or ape, or chimpanzee. They're all in the same family. Good job. Those are zoo animals. So we're going to be doing a lot of different activities with the zoo animals, but today we're going to talk about the size they are, how big they are, how little they are, if they're long or short, big or little. Okay? So I have a game to play. Let's look at these words that I was just saying. I said small and big. You see my pictures, right? Small little dot. And then here's a bigger one. That's the difference. This one is small. This one is big. Good job. What other things are small that you could think of in your house? Think about something that's very small. What do you got? Marbles are small. That's right. What else is small? Peas or beans are small. What's big? A refrigerator is big. That's right. So you could have a small little bean or a big refrigerator. They're different. Almost like an opposite. Big, little. Here's another one. Short and long. Short, long. Something could be short or something could be long. There's a short line and here's a long line. What are some things that can be short? What do you think? We have something short. There are a lot of things. Let's look around. I'm looking around my house. Something short can be a short piece of string. Good. Sure. Something short. Something long. Some of us have long hair. Some of us have shorter hair. Long and short. We'll go on and I'll show you more of what I mean. Let's go on. Empty, full. Yeah. You could have an empty cup of water when you're done drinking, but before you're done, it's full. When something is full, you could drink it, and then it becomes empty. When something's full, you have to be careful not to spill it. Good. Empty cup, full cup. The last thing is a little tricky. Light, heavy. I have two pictures there. Light is a feather. When I hold a feather in my hands, it feels very light. When I hold a rock in my hand, it's very heavy. How can we think about that? I'm going to hold a ball. ball in your hand. Think about it. Then try to hold a chair. A ball is not so heavy. It's light. A chair is heavy. You need to use more muscles for that. Light and heavy. So in all of these categories, we could talk about the animals we see at the zoo. Some are small, some are big. Some are short, some are long. Some things in the zoo can be empty and some could be full. That's going to be a fun one. And then we have some animals that could be light and not weigh a lot, or some that are heavy that weigh a lot. Ready? You'll see what I mean. Okay, I'm going to show you two animals that live in the zoo. Anyone know what that's called, that cute little bear? He likes to climb trees. That's a koala bear. Good. And here we have big lion. Let me hear you roar like a lion. Roar. Good. Which one is small? Is the lion small or is the koala small? Which one's big? Is the lion big or is the koala big? If you said the koala is small, you're right. The koala is small. That means the lion is big. Nice job. Small circle, small animal. Big circle, big animal. See? Can you think of any of the small animals in the zoo? Birds could be small. What else? Ducks. Sometimes you do see ducks. That's true. And big animals. All those bears are big. Lions and tigers are big. You got it. Exactly. Now let's talk about short and long. What is the animal we all know that is long? It's got the long neck. Yep, the giraffe. The giraffe is long, like this is a long line. This is a long neck. Giraffes are long. An animal that's not so long is this. It's a toucan. Or you could say any bird, but it's a toucan. This is short, shorter than the giraffe. Giraffe is long. The toucan is short. See how that works? Long line, long giraffe. Short line, short animal. Get it? Good. Let's go to empty and full. I said that's fun. Different. Because there's no animals that are empty. And there are no animals that are full, unless you're talking about if they're hungry or not. Sometimes you say, I'm full when you eat too much. Or your stomach is empty because you're hungry. But we're not talking about how much they eat. We'll show you two different things. Here are two cages. One has monkeys in it, one does not. Monkeys, no monkeys. This cage is full. This cage is empty. There's no animals living in it, it's empty. When there's just like that empty cup of water, this is empty. Just like this full cup, this cage is full. Full cage, full cup. Empty cup, empty cage. Good job. It's fun, right? I hope you're thinking about other animals that you could do while you're playing this game by yourself. Because you could always look at all the different animals and decide if they're big, if they're small, if they're heavy, if they're light, which we're going to get to, small or big. Okay? I know you know all those zoo animals. Now you can really think differently about them. Okay. Light and heavy. A lot of the animals are very heavy because they're very, very big. Some of them are light, some of them are small, and you could hold in your hand. Elephant. Can you hold an elephant in your hand? They're very heavy. That's correct. But this animal you can hold in your hand. Turtle. So which one's heavy? If you can't hold an elephant in your hands, is it heavy? That's right. Elephant is heavy, like our rocks, and the turtle is light, like the feather. There are so many different zoo animals, and so many zoo animals that you could play with this game with. And we're going to learn a lot more about animals. But this was a little fun activity to get us started. But keep thinking about those animals, and I'll see you next time.